Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Agi Aprilia. Today, I will explain about cause and effect essay. What is cause-effect essay? A cause and effect essay is one that shows how two more events are connected. This type of essay is meant to explain and analyze why something happened or how something occurred. Phrases you may have heard that are similar to cause and effect are action and consequence and chain of events. The characteristic of cause-effect essay: 1. A meaningful topic. 2. A strong thesis. 3. An attention-grabbing introduction. 4. A detailed body. And 5. A memorable conclusion. Bird flu. Bird flu has plagued Asia, Africa, the Middle East, and some parts of Europe and caused the death of some survivors. According to data from the World Health Organization, the H5N1 type of bird flu virus has infected 861 people worldwide and caused the death of 555 people until 2019. This is a difficult challenge to overcome properly because it is very diverse, but from wide range of cause and effect. Bird flu not only affect people who are sick, but also business owners or residents in the surrounding environment. While many factors have contributed to the rise in bird flu rates, one of the most profound is the lack of adequate service and treatment. The introductory paragraph of cause-effect essay. The general statement is bird flu has plagued Asia, Africa, the Middle East, and some parts of Europe and caused the death of some survivors. The thesis statement is, while many factors have contributed to the rise in bird flu rates, one of the most profound is the lack of adequate service and treatment. The body of cause-effect essay. Cause. By definition, bird flu is an infection disease caused by type influenza virus that is transmitted by bird to humans. There are many types of bird flu virus, but only a few can cause infection in humans. Bird flu is caused by infection with the type influenza virus that comes from birds. Most types of bird flu virus can only attract and infect poultry, both wild and farmed poultry, such as chickens, ducks, geese, and birds. However, there are several types of bird flu virus that can infect humans, namely H5N1, H5N6, H5N8, and H7N9. Bird flu virus can infect humans if there is direct contact with poultry infected with this virus. Some conditions that can increase the risk of being infected with the bird virus include touching infected bird, bird living and dead, touching face, saliva, and mucus from infected birds, inhaling respiratory droplets that are contaminated with airborne droplets, containing the virus, eating raw or undercooked infect poultry meat or egg. Human-to-human transmission is thought to also occur, but the mechanism and mode of transmission is not yet clear. A person is more at risk of being infected with the bird flu virus if he has factors, among others, working as a poultry farmer, working as a medical team that treats bird flu survivors, having family members who suffer from bird flu, going to an area or place where avian flu infection occurs, being near with infected poultry, and frequent consumption of undercooked poultry meat or eggs. The effects of bird flu are very diverse. Symptoms of bird flu generally only appear after 3 to 5 days of exposure to this virus. Symptoms that arise can vary, ranging from mild to severe. Although sometimes people infected with the bird flu virus may not feel any symptoms, in general, people with bird flu will experience symptoms in the form of fever, cough, sore throat, muscular aches, head aches, fatigue, runny or stuffy nose, and shortness of breath. In some patients, other symptoms that can also arise including vomiting, abdominal pain, diarrhea, bleeding gums, nosebleeds, chest pains and red eyes, conjunctivitis, and severe infection. Bird flu can even cause pneumonia, acute respiratory distress syndrome, respiratory failure, seizures, and nervous system disorder. In some patients who have certain conditions, such as being pregnant, have a weak immune system, or are over 65 years old, bird flu is at risk of causing serious complications and even death. The concluding paragraph of cause-effect is say, every country, every city, and every neighborhood face unique challenge when it comes to bird flu. While the specific root cause and vary from direct contact with infected poultry to human transmission. Hospital service and antiviral drugs are the main drugs used to treat, reduce, or even eliminate bird flu. With such strong effects on individuals and society at large, bird flu is a major problem that should be watched carefully. That's enough explanation from me. Thank you for watching.